Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video and which room decor you like. So don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like it. If you don't forget to press bell icon, like this video and subscribe the channel. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see the first picture, you can see the beautiful decoration of wall, you can see, and the roof, you can see the lamp roof lights. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bed and all, and the floor, the wall, the curtains, the sides, you can keep your books and all. This one also you can see the side walls, silver color walls, silver colors walls and all, and the photo frame you can see. This one also the roof lights, you can see the side wall lights, you can see the beautiful decoration of lights and all. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the window, you can see beautiful the chair, you can see luxury room decoration. This one also you can see the up lights, you can see, and here you can see the TV screen and all, and the lamps. This one also you can see the beautiful ever room. I like it, is very beautiful. You can see the waterfalls from the home, very beautiful. It's looking very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the curtain and all, and up lights, the floor, wooden floor, very beautiful decoration. This one also you can see the luxury room, you can see the roof, the decoration of roof, beautiful decoration, the bed and all. This also you can see the VIP bathroom, you can see the purple color lights and all, beautiful and full made up of mirror, beautiful. This one also you can see the lamp, you can see the roof lights, you can see the decoration and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see the side cupboard, you can keep your clothes and all, for beautiful clothes you can keep, and the wall decoration you can see beautiful. This one you can see the black color theme room, you can see the wall, the curtain, the window frame, beautiful, the floor, roof, very beautiful. This one you can see the luxury room, you can see the side, you can keep shampoo and all, and there you can see the mirror, you can see the lights. This one also very beautiful luxury room, you can see the floor, the curtain, you can see the mirror, you can see, very beautiful. This one also you can see the lights and all, the mirror and the bed, very beautiful decoration. This one also very beautiful, the floor, bed and also. I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first, and don't forget to comment down which room you like to. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.